modular intelligent production line for pipe fabrication elaborately produced by CCIE and QSPT. This is the first veritable intelligent production line for pipe fabrication. The intelligent production line has originality and demonstration in the industry. The intelligent production line uses a unique cuboid module as the carrier of pipe fittings, thus realizing intelligent storage of pipe fittings, intelligent fitting up of pipe spools, intelligent welding of weld joints, and even assisting in intelligent flaw detection of weld joints. Fully semi-intelligent solutions are optional for pipe fabrication. Fully intelligent solution for pipe fabrication. Intelligent pipe fabrication of the whole process by using modules or pallets as pipe carriers. Semi-intelligent solution for pipe fabrication. Intelligentize core processes of pipe fabrication by code scanning and program calling. The intelligent production line is composed of 6 controlling levels. The FL, PLC, ICS, and IMS are jointly developed by both parties. The MES and ERP are standard configurations already installed by CCIE. This intelligent production line for pipe fabrication is composed of 6 major systems and a central controlling room. DDS. The pipe fabrication production line produces pipe spools. The detailed drawing design for piping is specific to pipe spools. The product drawing design scheme varies depending on the format of the drawing files provided by the design department. CAD Works can manually create 3D pipe models based on pipe grades. After specifying the on-site port, the installation single line diagram and fabricated pipe spool diagram can be automatically generated, and the pipe information files can be exported. SpoolGen can automatically generate 3D pipeline model on the basis of inputting PCF and IDF intermediate files. After specifying the field welding joint, SpoolGen can automatically generate installation isometric diagram and prefabricated pipe spool diagram and output piping information file. EP3D can manually create 3D pipe models based on pipe grades, or automatically generate 3D pipe models after importing PCF and IDF intermediate files. After specifying the field welding joint, the installation single line diagram and prefabricated pipe spool diagram can be automatically generated, and the pipe information files can be outputted. IMS. The Intelligent Management System for Production Line, IMS, is deployed inside the server of the central controlling room. It mainly works to, it can match drawings and materials, and lock the inventory materials based on the imported drawing information and the received material information. It can make working package based on MES planning requirements and matching results of drawings and materials, that is, production line scheduling. It can arrange material layout for pipe cutting based on the material cutting list and the pipe materials in 3D storing as shown in the working package. It can carry out material gap management, fabricated quantity management, and traceability management during the production process. It can perform production process management by sending work orders to the control system and receiving feedback from the control system. ICS. The Intelligent Controlling System for Production Line, ICS, is developed using Siemens WinCC configuration software and deployed inside the IPC of the central controlling room. It mainly works to, it coordinate the PLC systems of the production line and command them to complete corresponding actions. It conduct real-time data collection, data analysis and reporting, equipment process monitoring, equipment abnormality alarm, visual display. Central controlling room for production line. The central controlling room, CCR, is located in an elevated transparent glass room, providing a panoramic view of the intelligent production line indoor. The CCR is equipped with an LCD video wall, a control console, a weak current cabinet, air conditioner, etc. The weak current cabinet comes with a server, an IPC, a monitoring host, etc.